This is Scott from KIG. It's November 11th, 2015. This is our small chiller testing area, and we moved this 5-ton Temperature Corporation split unit out here just to do some testing on the pump flow. We're going to have Dana bump the contactor in a second. This is a 1.5 horsepower pump, and basically we are drawing off the bottom of the tank, and we are pumping into that brazed plate heat exchanger, and there is a pressure gauge right there, a flow switch right there, and it comes out here to process where we have our smart flow GPM flow meter, also with another pressure gauge. And just to give it a little bit of a resistance, as opposed to just making a loop, we've piped it through this air handler, which we often use for testing. So Dana, if you can go ahead and activate that pump, please. So you can see with with the shutoff wide open, it goes basically up to about, you can see this little line right here, which is the paddle. About 30 GPM. Can you turn it off for a second? You can see the paddle, and then turn it back on. You can see it right there, about 30. At that, we are getting about, at this pressure gauge, 23 PSI. Right at the pump, 38 PSI, give or take. And then thirdly, over here by the air handler, looks like a little over 20. If we throttle back a little bit and the shut off, so we start increasing pressure, so that's at 30 PSI, and then when we do that, we're at about 25 GPM.